So here it's given that the father's age is 4 times higher than his son's age, and 6 years ago the father's age was 10 times the son's age. What are the present age of father and the son? So we don't know the age of the father and son, so we can assume the father age is x and son age is y. And the first condition is x will be 4 times higher than son's age, so 4y. And the second condition is 6 years ago. So 6 years ago, what will be the age of the father? It will be x minus 6, and this will be 10 times the son's age, so it will be 10 times. And also 6 years ago, the age of the son will be y minus 6. So if we now solve this equation, we will get this value. So we can replace this x with y, so 4y minus 6 will be 10y minus 60. So it will be 6y is equal to 54. So y is equal to what? 9. And x is equal to what? 4 into 9 equal to 36. So the age of father and son is 36 and 9, and that's our answer.